Welcome to Handy Hawaii, Oahu's premier repair and remodel contractor. We can be there fast and get the job done fast. Popcorn ceilings? We'll remove them fast. Give us a call at 808-457-7788. We arrive on time at the scheduled time. At Handy Hawaii, we don't cut corners. Are you still stuck with popcorn ceilings? Well, get those out and give your ceiling a beautiful smooth finish fast. Whether it's scraping popcorn ceilings and giving you a nice smooth finish, or a small repair to your cabinets, we do it all. We love what we do. Contact Handy Hawaii anytime. We'd love to earn your business. Give us a call at 808-457-7788 or visit our website by clicking on the link. Give us a call at 808-457-7788 or visit our website by clicking on the link.